Hey guys, Blockchain Bernie here with my latest episode. This episode is about permissionless blockchain versus permissioned blockchains. You've probably heard that, and there are so many chains out there that are permissionless. There are some out there that are permissioned for good reason. What does it actually mean? What's the difference? Are there some that are kind of a hybrid out there? And how does Bitoku fit into all of this? That's what we're going to talk about today. Please don't forget to give me that like button. It is really important for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. And also subscribe to this channel because there's so much more information that's going to be here. All the updates about development of the Bitoku chain, but also general things about blockchain in general, like this one explaining what is permissionless versus permissioned. So permissionless, let's start with that. It just means that anyone can participate in the chain. So usually you have nodes like validator nodes. In the old world of proof of work, you have like mining nodes. And in a permissionless world, right? And that is what Bitcoin started with back in the day. It's all permissionless. Anyone can participate. It's part of that whole paradigm, right? That it's not controlled by some instance or stuff like that. So that is permissionless, right? Anyone can join, anyone can run a node, anyone can earn rewards by mining or by running a validator node or things like that. Then there are permissioned chains, right? Where you need permission and someone needs to give you that permission. It could be a centralized instance. It could be a DAO, a distributed autonomous organization, or some app that grants you that permission, or you would need to buy that permission by purchasing a license. Those are permission chains. Also, there are like corporate chains that are permissioned, right? So you can use blockchain technology just within a certain corporation, and then only if you're an employee or only if you work in this and that department, you're allowed to use that blockchain. So that is another example on how permissioned chains work. So how does all this fit to Bitoku, the L1 blockchain that we're building with a storage layer? We're the L1 with eggs, because the name of our storage layer is eggs. It's the external global grouped storage. And that means we offload the storage to separate storage providers, millions of storage providers all over the world that do that on cheap devices, and they are separate from the actual blockchain with the validator nodes. So that is very exciting. The L1 with eggs, all based off of the Move language, a really modern chain. It scales like crazy because it uses the proof of history paradigm that we borrow from Solana. So it's going to be, it is a super exciting project. So we have both there. We're kind of a hybrid between permission and permissionless. All the storage providers, the millions of storage providers, completely permissionless. And they run on cheap consumer devices. Anyone can store data and dedicate it to the Bitoku chain on their storage devices. Then we have the actual backbone network. We're running the validators. That has a permissionless aspect. So anyone can join in and run a validator node. But the ones that have purchased a node license, they get the very special rewards for running these validator nodes. The ones that just join without having purchased the permission, they just get the basic rewards for validating the smart contract chains. But if you've purchased a Bitoku node, right, and we're selling these node licenses as a means to raise money to develop that whole chain. So we're a little bit different. We're not going after VC money primarily, but we feel that you should be the one owning this chain, having your word in the future of the chain and all these type of things. So we want you to be that and not the VCs. So that's why we're selling these nodes. And we're proud that we've already sold 2,675 nodes. That's 1,400 platinum nodes and 1,275 founders nodes. It's only 25 left before the price goes up. And then if you buy a founders node before the rebranding, which will happen in the next few weeks, if you get them before the rebranding, you get that extra passport NFT, which entitles you for extra DAO tokens and extra voting rights, right? So 2 great reasons to not wait and just get your Bitoku founders node right now, and it'll automatically transition into the new world, into the new L1 with eggs under the new name that's not being revealed just yet. So stay subscribed to this channel. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done yet. And get your Bitoku node. Go to bitoku.io, read everything about the project. Ask me if you have questions in the comments down below. And or join our Discord. If you go to our website, there's the Discord join button in the top right. So just join our Discord there. And it's a great community out there. And you will love it. All right. That was my video about permissionless versus permissioned. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching and catch you guys later. Bye.